We are driving around the city and we're looking for street art.
Hopefully we get to see some.
Yeah.
So we've just left Port Louis. Yeah, we saw some cool street art. So we're going to a market called 42 Market. Great ratings, lots of food stalls. We're quite hungry because it's almost, it's after 12.
It's lunchtime.
So we'll show you what it's all about a bit later. Bye.
Okay guys, we've just arrived at 42 Market Street, which is like a food hall slash street food market stall place. And of course it starts raining after only driving a few minutes from Port Louis. So we'll show you what it's like inside. And this place has a view of the mountain range outside. So the 42 Street Market is part of this mall called the Bagetella Mall. So there's also a number of South African franchise restaurants here. Mag and Bean, Panarottis, and down there's Ocean Basket. And I've seen a few other stores that are South African franchises. There's also Debonair's and Steers. Yeah. Okay, what do we have? So this is what we got at the 42 Market. This is a chicken bao bun from Mr. Trou. We also got a massive samosa that's in this packet. We'll try. And then we got a vegetable thali that has all these accompanying curries and rice and roti. And we also got this Capri Sun mango and passion fruit drink.
I'm gonna try this one. 3, 2, 1.
You didn't get any of the filling? It's a bit dense, eh? How's the filling? It's crazy. how big that samosa is. Okay, you're gonna try it.
I only took one bite, but I think we need to get another.
It's got some spicy sauce in it.
It's like a tamarind sauce.
That's very tasty. It's massive samosa. That's really tasty.
So good.
Really tasty with the sauce. Wow. This is the filling of that samosa. You can see it's packed with ingredients, potato, peas, spices. This is unusual. There's a raisin in the samosa, or a sultan. We don't get that back home.
So we have the, it's got a banana curry and a green beans and potato, and this is a dal lentil curry. So let's give it a go. Very mild, subtle flavors. I think you need to have it with the pickle.
So it tastes really good when you mix everything together.
That's quite tasty.
So this is the newest mall that we just stopped at very quickly to show you guys. It's called Bagetella Mall. As you can see, a lot of it is still unfinished, and it's meant to be the biggest mall in Mauritius and the newest. But it has a really nice food court, so we'll show you that now. Okay, so we just drove to another mall quickly. It's called the Bagetella Mall. We just want to see what it's like. It's the newest mall in Mauritius. It's pretty big, but it's still unfinished. So some stores are open and there's lots of things that are still closed, still under construction. But there's an amazing food court. And then, yeah, I think after this we'll head back towards the north.
Yeah.
Trou Aux Bische.
Trou Aux Bische.
Trou Aux Bische. Beautiful, eh? This water is crystal clear, Troy.
Hi kids! I started off the vlog at the beach we're just swimming in the ocean.
best way to end any night. This is going to try this place for dinner.
Hey guys, they just gave us some chili and some garlic sauce.
And the food's coming now.
Yeah.
Okay, these are some dumplings, but we don't know what they are.
So he said they are chicken paneer.
Possibly chicken. Good morning.
Morning.
Morning, guys.
Morning.
So we've come to Choisy Beach this morning. Beautiful weather for a change.
Stunning weather.
The water's beautiful. And we might just check out, well, we're going to spend some time here, but then also just see if there's any activities that are available today. I'll let you know.
Cool.
Oh, what did you think about dinner last night at that Chinese place?
I think that was one of the worst experiences. If they really killed dinner, we waited for almost 2 hours for our meal. Troy fell asleep on the chairs.
Yeah, the service
service
was really bad. We waited like 2 hours for food. The food wasn't bad, but it was just the service ruined everything. And it was one of the few restaurants that were open last night. So
Yeah.
live and you learn.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And check out our other videos.